Place your bets. Will this fighter finally get what's coming to him? This isn't about punishment for clowning around, this is about consequences. Because this isn't just some nobody. This is Leandro Silva, a well known showman in the boxing world. A man famous for knocking opponents out the moment he stepped into the ring. When you win like that, people let you act however you want. Masks, taunts, disrespect. Silva had earned that reputation. But this fight was different. Standing across from him was a man they called the Butcher, Mizuch. A fighter whose punches felt like being hit by a truck. Every time he entered the ring, he fought like it might be his last. No fear, no hesitation, pure violence. That mindset alone turned this matchup into one of the most anticipated fights of the year. From the opening seconds, Silva made one thing clear. This wouldn't be a normal fight. He walked in wearing a mask. The clowning started before the bell even rang. Mizuch took it personally. He charged forward, looking to erase Silva immediately, the same way he had erased so many others. But Silva was calm. Too calm. He began dissecting him shot by shot. Right hand, left jab. Perfect timing. Perfect accuracy. Mizuch started swinging at air while Silva barely missed a punch. Before the first round was even halfway done, Mizuch was wobbling. It looked like a public humiliation, and Silva leaned into it. He dropped his hands, backed into the ropes, started dancing, taunting, mocking him openly, as if his opponent wasn't even a threat. It drove Mizuch insane. He attacked in bursts, desperate to land something. But Silva slipped, blocked, deflected everything. Then Silva decided to turn it into a show. Peekaboo defense, Tyson-style movement, pure disrespect. But when Mizuch finally landed a clean shot, something changed. Silva snapped. He rushed forward recklessly. Blood appeared on the Slovak's face. The referee watched closely, waiting for the moment to stop it. But Mizuch stayed standing, watching, learning. Silva kept playing with him, staring at him like prey, asking without words, "Is that all you've got?" Then round 2 began, and everything flipped. Mizuch stepped forward with a different confidence, a colder stare. Silva didn't see it coming. One explosive burst, one massive strike. Silva didn't even raise his guard. He went down. The referee started the count, but it didn't matter. The show was over. Silva's arrogance cost him everything.